Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. We've got one of the nicest 1964 Ford Galaxie 500 XLs in the country. This has undergone a 2-year body off the frame on a rotisserie restoration to like new, possibly better than new condition. Visit volocars.com. That's where you can read all the specs, see all the pictures, get the price, not only on this one, but we have a few hundred collector cars all for sale. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon, you'll be notified as new ones are posted. But right now, the top is down. Why don't you join me for a spin in this Galaxie? We just acquired a 3-car collection from a very well-respected car collector local to the area. I Googled his name and the cars, and more stuff popped up about him than it did about me. So he's been in the car business, not business, he's been a car lover for a long time, and this was his baby. He actually did own a chrome plating shop for decades, so needless to say, the chrome on this car is outstanding. So anyway, they took the body off frame and put it on a rotisserie, and that's just like it sounds. The body, they could flip it upside down, which makes it a lot easier to paint the lower parts when the car's flipped. You don't have to lay on your back and crawl around it. So the bottom of the car looks new. The black floors are nice semi-gloss black. And he said every component in the car was rebuilt. So it's not just made to look pretty, but it was completely rebuilt as well. This was not a car to flip. He was not cutting corners. This was his passion. This car was done completely. The complete brake system, the motor, the trans, everything's been rebuilt in this car. The body is amazing. It's absolutely outstanding fit and finish. All the gaps are spot on. Everything fits square and flush. There's no rust, no bubbles. It's smooth. It's arrow straight everywhere. The white paint is like white glass. And again, every piece of chrome everywhere. The grill, all of the chrome is redone. Every little piece. The stainless trim has been polished and straightened. It's all beautiful. It's got dual mirrors. Even the side moldings. It's got dual mirrors, it's got rocker moldings, spinner hubcaps on the wire wheel hubcaps there, fender skirts. So outside's like new. Really nice red interior, gives it some pop. Door jambs are done, the latches, the rubber, the window seals, all that's been redone. The sill plates are shiny. Inside the car, he did it right. All new cushions, the seats feel nice and firm, the upholstery fits really well. I can see it was lined with that sound deadener when they had everything out. You'll like inside the trunk too, done real nice. It's got a nice fabric, professionally done, all completely lined. It looks beautiful. It's got the tire cover, then everything else is painted real nice, has new rubber. He liked to go to car shows, so he has these different show boards that go with it. It was at the Geneva Concours d'Elegance. White convertible top, all restored. The framework, the rubber, all that's done. It works and fits really nice. This car has power windows, bucket seats, console. It's got seat belts, embroidered floor mats, has a retro stereo, it has the padded dash. And again, the chrome inside the car too, everything. The brushed stainless on the doors and on the backs of the seats. That's stuff people don't normally do. But he's a chrome plater, so every piece of trim in and out of this car is restored. And I just opened it. I already forgot where it is. Completely made to look beautiful, and again, also rebuilt. Rebuilt 390 motor. Couple minor upgrades. He put an Edelbrock intake, but it's painted black, and it's got an Edelbrock carburetor, but it's hidden by the big air cleaner. He did dress it up with some finned aluminum valve covers. Every nut, bolt, bracket, component in here looks new. It's got the proper hose clamps, auto light battery topper. It does feature power steering, power brakes. It's a 300 horsepower motor. Across the dash, everything's done. It's a padded dash, that's new. The steering wheel's painted. All the trim, bezels, knobs is all redone. I told you it has a retro stereo, fits right in the dash. Under the car, the front end's all rebuilt and detailed. It's got glass pack mufflers that you're going to hear in just a second. I actually found he was at a car show and he was interviewed at a car show. It's on the internet. And he was talking about this car and he mentioned how he rebuilt everything. It's a 2-year process. Seats feel like brand new, nice and firm. Everything I'm looking at is pristine. Power top. Day-night mirror. The visors look new. It's got power windows. Looks like all new glass. All 3 of his cars, I think the glass is new. It's got the soft factory tint. White with the red is really striking. There is, I noticed, one touch-up over here in this quarter panel. Someone brush touched a little tiny spot right there. Other than that, the car is outstanding. Whoever gets this is getting a car that someone built with passion. Again, no expense spared. You're going to be getting a fantastic car. Visit volocars.com. There's plenty of ways to contact our staff. They will answer questions for you. I just gave you my impression of the car. If you want more detailed inspections, talk to the salespeople. They can also help with financing. They can help with delivery. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon, and you will be the first to see the next one that comes out. Thanks for watching.